Salesforce Spacestation.
Hi everyone! For today, I'm going to discuss about when to use Salesforce Communities. But first, let us define a Salesforce Community. Salesforce Community is a social platform product of Salesforce that helps companies to connect with their customers, partners, and employees. There are three types of communities that companies can create depending on their own internal needs. This includes employee communities, customer communities, and partner communities. Now, let me tell you when to use those communities. You can use employee communities when you want your employees to collaborate on content in real time or you want them to connect with others beyond their department. For example, employees can use this 24/7 when they need some information to know, like how to troubleshoot a certain thing. You can also use customer communities when you want your customers to find answers to their questions or collaborate with others in order to solve problems on their own. You can integrate self help, frequently asked questions, or even case creation capabilities. And last is you can use partner communities when you want to connect with your partner and collaborate directly on records. With this, you can make or close a deal with your partners easily. Now, let me show you a sample customer community. As this is built on a cloud platform, this means that this can be easily accessed through a mobile browser or a Salesforce platform anytime and anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Since communities are customizable, you can match the brand of your business. You can put an image or even change the background. As you can see, we have placed in here our logo and we set the background to black. And also you'll notice here there are some tabs like Salesforce, Pardot, and website. These are actually some of the products that we offer to our customers. If I click on those tabs, you can see here some tutorials. If I click on user tutorial, it will show me options about a certain topic like how to create an account, how to create a new task, and how to create a new opportunity, and so on. If I click how to create a new contact, it will lead me to the video tutorial on how to create a contact. There's also a search option here where users can use to find something that they want to know. For example, I can search on the video tutorial that we've opened a while ago, how to create a contact. It will show up here and a customer can easily click and access it. This will greatly reduce service case and help your support team to focus more on complicated tasks. Aside from this, a community can also have some forum, frequently asked questions, and virtual support like this one. We have here an option to talk to an agent if they have some concerns, and they can even log a case for help. We have here a cloud care request, and once clicked, a form will show up that needs to be filled up with information about the case, like your name, your email, what this relate to, what's the problem, and a brief description. Once the user submitted this, a case will be automatically created on your Salesforce Service Cloud, which will be solved by a support team. So overall, communities help companies establish a strong relationship with its clients, staffs, or partners, and it gives business owners get clarity about ongoing customer trends. This will greatly boost sales, improve customer satisfaction, and employee connectedness. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Salesforce Space Station.